Have you ever wondered how Indian law is structured? Well, it's a fascinating mix of constitutional provisions, statutory laws, case law, and administrative regulations. Starting with the Constitution of India, it's the supreme law of the land. It lays the groundwork for governance, fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, and the powers and functions of different branches of government. This monumental document is divided into a preamble, 22 parts, 12 schedules, and 5 appendices, each dealing with specific aspects of governance and society. Next, we have the statutory laws. These are laws enacted by the Parliament of India and state legislatures. They cover a broad spectrum of subjects, from criminal law and civil law to family law and taxation, among others. Some key statutory laws in India are the Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure, the Code of Civil Procedure, the Indian Contract Act, the Hindu Marriage Act, the Income Tax Act, and the Goods and Services Tax Act. These laws are structured into chapters, sections, and subsections, providing detailed provisions for various legal matters. Then there's case law, also known as judicial precedent. This refers to the body of legal decisions and interpretations made by courts through their judgments. The decisions of higher courts, particularly the Supreme Court of India, serve as binding precedents for lower courts and are considered authoritative interpretations of the law. Case law supplements statutory laws and helps in the interpretation and application of legal principles in specific cases. Lastly, we have administrative regulations. These are rules and regulations formulated by administrative bodies and government agencies to implement and enforce statutory laws. They cover areas such as licensing, permits, land use, environmental protection, consumer protection, and industry-specific regulations. In summary, the structure of Indian law is a complex interplay of constitutional provisions, statutory laws, case law, and administrative regulations. It's designed to ensure the rule of law, protect rights, and promote justice and equity in society. It's a layered, intricate system, but understanding its structure provides a clearer picture of how legal processes work in India.